Hi trader, this is Elite Currency. My name is Chris and wanted to quickly show you the SWAT setups that I discussed on the euro dollar and New Zealand USD in this short video. So yesterday I was talking about the euro dollar, that it was best set up for an uptrend, and indeed the euro dollar continued higher, broke above this particular level, and the reason why I liked it so much is partly because of the whiz levels. You can see that price was at 1, 2, 3, the fourth level and above it with space up to the fifth level. Here you can see how I count that. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 without touching the long-term moving average. And this is all explained in SWAT, in the SWAT system. So you can see how price broke above that trend line and made that precise movement up to the fifth level at the target at 118.50. This might seem very difficult to you, but in fact, when we explain SWAT, you'll be able to do the same after you go through the course. So yes, it is awesome, great trade, but it is doable for anyone who goes through it. Let me explain a bit more about the entry itself, because I was talking about the analysis. I was looking for a break of this basically bull flag. And SWAT makes it easy to find the signal as well, because look, it indicates through arrows and candles, in fact, color candles, where the entry is, and you have to check some filters and stuff like that. But otherwise, the signal, the entry candle, is clear, and I was right here. I took it a bit higher just because at that particular moment of time I wasn't seeing the chart. So a few minutes later, maybe 15, 20 minutes later, I checked the chart and I saw that the trigger occurred. So I took it a few pips higher. This trade ended up for 84 pips. If I would have taken it at the original spot, it would have been 97 pips profit. The risk on that trade, normally speaking, would be 32 pips. In my case, it was 45, because I took it a bit further. So typical R2R would have been 3-to-1 on this trade, 3-to-1. In my case, it was more like a 2-to-1, just because I took it a few pips higher. So that was the euro dollar. The New Zealand USD, you see, had a break to the upside too, and here too was looking for continuation to the next sequence level. But I did say trail stop each of these fractals, because of the fact that price might not be able to break to the upside. So I took it on this candle, just a bit of retracement. I got a better entry, in fact, a few pips, and indeed we got the break. But the break hesitated. It didn't manage to break above basically this resistance, as you can see, and price is going sideways. Trail stopped the fractal, as I explained, by 10 pips, and I got out for break even. So that's fine. There's nothing wrong with the break even trade, nothing lost. And this could still be set up okay for a new setup if price shows a new entry signal. And that is something that we'll have to see if it happens or not. But yesterday we had this. So this is, I'm explaining this basically so you can see how it looks like when after the fact. The analysis was done beforehand, of course, but now you can see how things have developed and how the triggers materialize after the fact as well, and how I traded it based on that analysis. And you can see one more thing, by the way. I said that price was not supposed to touch this moving average at 74.60, otherwise the setup was invalidated, and it did it. It missed it just by a tad, but it did miss it. Thanks for watching. Please, if you like it, share, like, and subscribe. And of course, wish you all great trading. Cheers.